Sorry,
there
power.
I go.
There we go. Just hold this right here. More right rudder. More right rudder. A little bit more power. Hold this right here. More right rudder. A lot more. Don't be shy. Like this much more.
Okay.
There we go. Keep holding us here. More right rudder. More left aileron. There we go. All right, let's go around. Full power and pitch up. There we go.
Shit.
That's all right. Keep pitching back. There we go. Good. So our full power, we already got one notch out.
Yep. We're
Just
good.
make sure we got airspeeds
We have
climbing.
airspeed climbing.
on the runway at DeKalb. Are you still on the runway?
This is where 27 golf. We're going around for 20, staying in the left traffic. DeKalb.
DeKalb, Cherokee 54 Mike Tango, taking off 20 to the northeast.
I get my flaps out.
Yep.
Both of them? Easy.
Yeah, both of them. Just do one at a time. There you go. Pitch back a little bit more.
Up.
Pull back a little bit more. There you go.
And Lansing traffic, helicopter 516 Romeo Delta, 4 miles to the east, 1,200, transitioning westbound. Lansing.
Wow. DeKalb traffic, Cherokee 8427 Golf, turning left crosswind for runway 20, DeKalb. Oh, fuck me, dude.
You can see the other airplane that just took off.
I am hauling ass.
Right,
Power out.
There you go. So don't haul ass.
Don't haul ass, Nicole. You do not need to haul ass. DeKalb traffic, Cherokee 8427 Golf, turning downwind, left downwind for runway 20, DeKalb. I'm all confused right now.
Why? What's wrong?
I'm going too fast.
Tango departing the pattern to the west.
All right, so slow down. What are some things we could do to slow down other than bringing the power back?
Pitch up.
Yep, pitch up. You can also add your flaps early.
Okay.
We're in the wide arc, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's go do the first notch of flaps.
Did my nose go down when I did that?
Not really. Your actually nose only went down because you got to 1900 and then you kind of let the nose fall before you did the flaps. Let go of the yoke for a second. You got too much nose down trim. Give it like a couple swipes, like 3 quick little swipes backwards. There we go. That's better. It won't fight you. It doesn't fight you so much.
Yeah.
There you go.
I'm going to bring my power back to 1700.
All right.
And Lansing traffic, helicopter 516 Romeo Delta.
Do you want me to get another set of flaps in yet?
Overflying the field, 1,000.
You can get the other set of flaps in when you want, but today will just be 2 notches of flaps.
Right. I'm going to do a little bit of this. DeKalb traffic, Cherokee 8427 Golf, turning left base for runway 20, touch and go DeKalb. I never want to turn before I
Before what?
I talk.
Because you're getting the, remember, aviate, navigate, communicate?
Yeah.
You're getting communicate ahead of everything else. So just fly the plane. Nobody cares if you really made your radio call.
Right. DeKalb traffic, Cherokee 8427 Golf, turning left base for runway 20, touch and go.
There you go. We can get that other notch flaps in. And when it's gusty like this, it's better to be fast. You're going to have more control. So do exactly what we did earlier. We're going to fly nice and low again. And at some point, I'm just going to tell you to chop the power. All right? So gain some ground that way. Coming down. Bring that power back a little bit more. Coming down. So bank that wing into the wind and a lot of right rudder. Nose down as well. More right rudder. There you go. You're just pointing the tip of that prop right down the center line. Beautiful, just like this. Literally hold this all the way down, keep that nose coming down. More down. Keep coming. More right rudder. More right rudder. Nose down.
Why am I going?
Drop the power.
Oh shit, help me. Gear controls. Fuck me, Ron.
You had it.
I did not.
Alright, so today, so look at this.
There's Joe, he's like, what the fuck?
There we go. So see, your nose is like right here, and that's not down the runway. Your nose needs to be like right here.
Okay.
And see how much upwind wing I'm putting down?
Yeah.
So it should be here. Slowly take the power out. Upwind wheel touches first. I'm slowly adding my correction in just like that. All right?
Ron, you're so good.
I've just done this way too many times. All right, we'll go around. So see, I got a lot of correction in right now.
Yeah.
That upwind wing comes down, and now I had a lot of right rudder keeping it down the center line.
Yeah.
Take off.
Yeah, can you hear me?
And then I just relaxed the rudder to let it crab in.
But I didn't hear you take off.
You want me to show you the short and soft field? Give you a break for a minute?
We're gonna take a
But I want to do it. You know, it's like it's both feelings that I have. I really want to do everything, and then...
Do you have another one?
You can fly. You want to do this pattern again?
It's in the plane, not the headset itself.
What's wrong? Are you worried you're like disappointing me or something?
Yeah, no, yeah, kind of.
Altitude.
I just want to be better,
3,500,
that's all. You know, I come in all
3,500.
fucking excited and shit. And then it's like, wow.
I'm going to go back down to 3,000 though.
Flying does an amazing job of humbling a person
Yeah.
very quickly. It knows when you have too much confidence, and that's usually when shit goes down. So what happened back there? Why did it kind of balloon up like that?
Well, I don't understand my right rudder. I know that's crazy, but I feel like when I was doing the rudder, I was all of a sudden going all the way to the right. And so then, but
All right, I'm in front of you now.
So it wasn't...
Yeah, I went around west.
why did I go crazy over to the right?
Actually, you
That's
are
Because
right
that's where the
on
wind
my
pushed you.
left-hand side. If
The
you
wind
look
was
right,
pushing
you'll
you.
see-
You didn't have enough rudder to counteract it.
Oh,
Which
yeah, I see it.
side?
Okay.
So like imagine we're going down the runway right now.
Yes.
So the wind is off your left side, correct?
Yes.
So we had the left wing down,
Yeah.
and we had the right rudder just keeping us pointed down the runway.
Yeah.
All right. When we brought the power to idle, you relaxed everything,
Uh-huh.
and so that let the airplane turn into the wind, and the
Uh-huh.
wind just kind of pushed you off to the side of the runway.
Okay.
So I know it sounds
I'm gonna let you
counterintuitive,
land first.
Yeah.
Okay.
but what you needed was that crosswind correction in. You needed that upwind
So,
wing down,
don't worry, I'm
and
not
the
gonna
rudder
get any
just to keep it down the
closer to
runway.
you, but I'm going to keep
So-
you in sight.
It's a little bit
Okay.
backwards, but all right. Here, show you landing real quick.
Why do we live in the windiest place ever?
This, honestly, today, I probably wouldn't let you solo today just because of the weather.
Yeah.
It's too gusty. It's just asking for problems. But I want you to see it.
Yeah, of course I do. I'm the one that forced you out
right,
here.
well,
You
turn
probably
away, that
wouldn't have
isn't you.
come if it wasn't for me.
You didn't force me out here. Cal, Target Warrior 427, Golf, turning left base, runway 20, touch, go to Cal. Alright, so I'm going to keep us high,
Yes.
and I'm going to give you the controls, and I want you to do a forward slip.
All right, well, it looks like you were coming right towards me, and I'm
Okay.
actually
So remember, that's-
have a